than an average tire air compressor for bikes or a pneumatic nail gun, our compressor is great for woodworkers, car mechanics, carpenters, contractors, or setting up a workshop in your own garage or basement. The best air compressor for working in residential or commercial areas. Our small air compressor only produces 62 decibels, which means you can run inside the workshop, in a house, or on a job site without interrupting others. Our 3.5 HP motor drives the compressor up to a speed of 3,450 min and 8.37 cfm air delivery. It is ideal for supporting a variety of pneumatic and air tools, such as nail gun, impact wrench, pneumatic screwdriver, spray gun. Best for tire inflation, auto repair, spray painting, woodwork nailing, etc. Our electrical air compressor is constructed with structural steel providing durability and ultimate wear resistance. 125 psi maximum bearing pressure and seamless welding construction ensure the ability to withstand explosions and leakages. This quiet air compressor can refill automatically from empty to full in just within minutes. That super fast recovery time is especially important for nailing rails, boards, and projects together without wasting time.